health. मतलब ना ही सिर्फ बाहर से healthy, but you know mentally also somebody is happy, and automatically when you're completely happy, you look good. So एक वो बहुत ही amazing feeling होती है, which I'm sure you've also experienced, right, after the change that you went through.
Yes.
So tell us about that.
एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ काफी डॉक्टर्स लोग हैं, जब बीवी डॉक्टर हो ना तो सब दवाइयाँ बराबर लेनी पड़ती है, ये एक टेंडेंसी है। मेरी वाइफ इधर ही है इस रूम में, मैं शायद कोलेस्ट्रॉल, ब्लड प्रेशर, डायबिटीज सब गोलियाँ खा रहा था, कभी जमीन में बैठ नहीं सकता था क्योंकि आप देख चुके हो कि कप रख सकता था चाय के ऊपर, वेले पे ही चाय पीता था। तो आज जो मैं फील कर रहा हूँ, मैं पूजा कर सकता हूँ 2 घंटा जमीन पे बेड पे, और गॉड्स ग्रेस कोई भी दवाई नहीं ले रहा हूँ, सुबह 6 से रात को 11 बजे तक काम भी करता हूँ। और भाई ने बोला था कि अगर इंडिया आना है फिट होके आना, नहीं तो आना ही मत। थोड़ा टाइम लग गया, लेकिन नाउ आई नो दैट आई कैन मेक इट।
You are the example of the brand right here in front of us. हमारे साथ 2 पेशेंट्स भी हैं आज, जिनके बारे में आप बताना चाहेंगे, उनकी सक्सेस स्टोरीज हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे।
I would like to invite Mrs. Jayati bhai on the stage.
Let's give a big round of applause.
While she is walking, I will tell a little bit about her. I met her when my father passed away, and she was not able to walk at all. Now she is walking by herself, so you can figure out from that. And she used to stop every 20 minutes. She wants to walk in the garden. I'll talk to her in Gujarati. So she is saying me, okay, I will speak little bit first in Gujarati. I'll convert myself also. Hindi આવડે છે? Okay. એટલે મને મારા પપ્પાના પેલામાં મહિલા પછી મને ચાલી નહોતા सकता. तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि इनको पहले ही अपन हेल्प कर लीजिए, क्लिनिक खुलने में कब मालूम नहीं, यहाँ के बिल्डर कब देंगे, सब काम करके। मैंने तुम प्रोडक्ट ट्राई करो। आपका कितना वजन कम हुआ होगा?
12 kg।
12 किलो उनका वजन, उनको एक राउंड ऑफ एप्लॉज दो। इस उम्र में 12 किलो वजन कम किया। गार्डन का एक राउंड मारने के लिए उनको कम से कम 4 बार बैठना पड़ रहा था। अब आपको बैठना पड़ रहा है?
नहीं, अभी तो सब गार्डन वाले बोलते हैं आप में इतना चेंज क्यों आ गया है, क्या किया आपने,
क्या खाती हैं आप?
और मेरा भाणेज है वो भी MD डॉक्टर है।
And yes, उसका relative he is MD, so you can understand. तो for me easy हो गया था, और ये हमारे फैमिली रिलेशन के मेरे पापा के टाइम से we know them very much. Thank you very much for coming on the stage and telling for us.
Thank you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं इनके लिए।
अभी मैं और एक नीलिमा जी है, उनको स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगा।
नीलिमा जी के लिए तालियां हो जाए। हम तालियां रुकी नहीं चाहिए यार, बहुत मजा आता है जब स्टेज पर कोई और के लिए तालियां हो।
नीलिमा जी मेरे पापा को बहुत अच्छी तरह पहचानती थी, सो मुझे मिली और बताया कि ये सच में सही है। बोला आप खुद ही ट्राई कर लो, आप सेलिब्रिटी हो घाटकोपर में। शी इज हैविंग अ वेरी गुड wish to help all the clinics to get doctors from anybody who you want help. She does that. तो मैंने बताया कि why don't you try? You are going to all the doctors' offices and everywhere. So why don't you tell how was your experience?
I first met Mr. Mehta and Shilpa at World Trade Center itself, and I got an opportunity to recruit and provide staff to Sky Limit. Being a consultant, you have to also always go deep into what company does. After that only we can explain our candidates and what this company does and why we are interested in recruiting them. So that's what I did. And I myself got interested that no, I should start this program. And that's how I started, and it went very well. I lost 4 kgs per month, but a lot of fat loss, I would say. And it was a good experience and still going on.
Yeah, she has not completed the program. She is on her 30 days, roughly 6 to 8 inches, because you know woman doesn't want to tell about their inches, but she is losing 4 kilos per month. So we can give a round of applause for her to come and stay for me. So I will summarize in one sentence.
Yes, please.
There are a lot of doctors and so President Doctor is here, so we just want to make sure that whatever we show, because it is going to go to president anyhow, so he is already a doctor for 3 decades, 3 different presidents he has served here. He just said yes due to Vivek Bhai. He just took afternoon flight, so he just reached here, and he's flying back in evening night flight just to go back to president. So,
You'd like to call him on stage?
Yes.
Yes.
But when we're all
Yes.
Together?
yeah,
Yes.
as part of the
yes.
So,
Yeah.
lovely, lovely. So there you have it. Sky Limit is here, and you have stories right in front of you why and how it's important that we all actually embrace this empowering movement of health. So ladies and gentlemen, why don't we actually call the entire global team of Sky Limit right here on stage
Yes, please.
for a photo op along with Dr. Mohsin Ali,
Please,
who's
Doctor.
here with us.
Dr. Mohsin Wali.
Mohsin Wali. Mohsin Wali. Please, sir, can we have you on stage? We are very, very delighted that he's also collaborating with Sky Limit. So Dr. Frank, Dr. Jeff, Dr. Urvashi Mehta, Dr. Pulin Patel. Big announcement for all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, Sky Limit is absolutely thrilled to actually tell you that we're collaborating with publicly listed US-based company who are world leaders in nutrigenomics. LifeVantage is a partner with Sky Limit in India, and they're here with something really, really unique. So please put your hands together and help me welcome Mr. Fred Graves and Mr. David Brent on stage to tell us more about LifeVantage.
Welcome home.
Thank you. Thank you.
They are the leaders in what's extremely important, especially in my industry, anti-aging. They're the leaders in the world.
Very, very excited for this partnership, exclusive partnership with activating the body rather than supplementing the body. And we stand behind the vision here with Sky Limit. We're excited about this partnership. And I want you guys to understand what we're really a part of here. There's a very famous network, ABC News, primetime back in America. They did an investigative report on our company, mainly because of the claims that we were saying this technology was doing. As we know, oxidative stress is the reason why we age. Oxidative stress is the precursor to all disease, and we have a solution. So this investigative report was aired on national TV, and I think you'll be pleased with the results.
You want to get a